Hey YouTube, Chase here. Today we're going to be making a centerpiece box for the dining room table. This box is kind of like a little planter or whatever. It's going to hold some succulents and it's going to have some candles. Jennifer found a picture of something that she likes online. We're looking at it about being about 25 inches or so long maybe. It's going to hold like 4, maybe 5 candles in the center of it. With succulents that are going to be able to be placed around in it. But the problem with this box is that it doesn't come with any kind of measurements or anything. So I've kind of had to guess at what the measurements are based off of how big we want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and get some of those pieces cut, and we'll kind of show a couple of them to you afterwards. But if you're looking for the measurements yourself so that you can make this, I'm going ahead and have those in the description below. So give me a few minutes and we'll be right back with those pieces cut. Alright, we're done with all the cutting. Let's see here, we got basically, I'll put them in the description, but essentially there's 2 little pieces like this. I wrote their measurements down. They're really simple. 5.5 inches by 2.5 inches. We got 2 of those. Those are going to be set the long ends of the box. Let's see. These guys are the sidewalls. These are 25 inches by 2.5 inches, so they're going to be pretty much longer like that. And then along the bottom, this guy here, 25 inches by 7 inches. So essentially, it's going to be this box that looks a little bit like this. Hopefully I don't drop all this like that. But anyways, basically like this when it's all done. And the piece I dropped on the floor. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get these nailed in. If I have some short little nails I'll use, I'll probably put them up just through the bottom, just for the end piece here, and then this guy, and then this long piece where it comes in here, I'll go ahead and probably hammer those into the side, and then I'll show you what the finished product after that looks like. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I finished getting all the nails in, put everything together. You can see now what we're looking at. It's pretty much just a little box like that. What I did is put 2 nails there, going this way through this end into this. I used these little 1.25 inch nails. So I got 2 there, 2 there, same on the other side, 2 there, 2 there. And then just to hold the bottom on, I just spaced them out, 1 in the corners, some in the middle. I don't even know if you can see that. Corners, middle, and then just 1 in the halfway point on each side. So pretty much that's about it. The only thing that's left to do at this point now is find some feet, if we want to put some feet on it, or it's just going to sit flat. And then aside from that, I think Jennifer's going to go ahead and she's going to get it painted, and then also put some stuff in it. So that's going to be in the next video or 2, and then we'll catch up with you then. So until next time, this has been Chase for our channel. See you next time.